Welcome back to the channel. If you're into American muscle, modern power, and iconic badges that make your heart race, then you're going to love this one. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427, a legend reborn with attitude, speed, and a growl that refuses to be ignored. First impressions? It's a monster in a tuxedo. The design is aggressive yet elegant. A wide, low-slung front grille, slim LED headlights, bulging hood lines, and that unmistakable SS badge staring right at you. It's clear the Impala isn't here to blend in. The rear is equally menacing, with quad exhausts, a subtle lip spoiler, and sharp LED taillights. Every inch screams performance. But the real story lives under the hood. The 2026 Impala SS 427 packs a naturally aspirated 7.0-liter V8 engine. Yes, you heard that right. A full 427 cubic inches of pure American muscle, putting out a blistering 550 horsepower and 630 newtons of torque. It's mated to a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters, and if you opt for the performance pack, there's even a 6-speed manual available. This car isn't just about speed, it's about connection. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect blend of retro inspiration and modern tech. The cabin features leather bucket seats with SS embroidery, a flat-bottom steering wheel, red stitching, and brushed aluminum accents throughout. In the center is a 13.4-inch touchscreen with Chevy's latest infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, performance gauges, and even launch control settings. Chevrolet didn't stop at power. They've added brains, too. Magnetic ride control, Brembo brakes, a limited slip differential, and drive modes that actually change the car's character. Comfort, sport, track, and custom. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up a back road, this car adapts and performs. Safety and convenience aren't forgotten either. You get adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and a full 360-degree camera system. It's muscle for the modern world. But here's the bottom line. The 2026 Impala SS 427 is more than just a revival. It's a bold statement from Chevrolet that American sedans still have fire in their veins. It honors the classic while charging headfirst into the future, with raw performance, sleek design, and attitude in every rev. So, is the Impala SS 427 the last great American sedan? You tell us. Hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into cars that stir the soul.